Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I want to continue with our recap, and this is tutorial number 8, Introduction to Strumming. And if you watched the previous tutorial, we learned the G, C, D chords once again. If this is not new to you, you can skip. And if you're new to my channel, if you're new to this particular tutorial, feel free and watch the video to the end. And we just want to do some small practice in learning how to strum. Before you start strumming, you should be conversant with whatever chords that you're going to strum with. I can't just take the guitar when I am now learning how to play the chords, because definitely when I'm starting to play a new chord, I need to do it one by one until maybe it's registered in my muscle, in my mind, that I don't have to look. Sorry. So there are some chords that you can do on looking, but as a beginner, before you can do some strumming, and just before we continue, maybe you must take a look at the beginner tutorial series, this particular video, and check my courses on the guitar beginner tutorial series, and you see what you have to do. And so we'll just go straight to what we're doing. So we need to revise what we learned from the course. By now I expect maybe you took a week to practice how to play the G. So when you're starting to learn how to play any chord, try and time yourself slowly. Don't be too hard on yourself. So 1 2 3. So if you're playing with your index finger at first, 1 2 3. So any way that you do it, just try and do countings. It will help you to transition between the chords easily. So 1 2 3. Then C, 1 2. Where am I? 1 2 3. Then D, 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. 1 2 3. So strumming is just how you're able to pluck all the string down from top to, and you can try and do the up with your index or maybe your thumb. Try and be more lenient towards your string so that you don't hurt yourself or even break the string. So just like, so maybe you can do your finger like this. So down, up, down, 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 down. So this is basically what we are doing in this particular video. But before we end this tutorial, I just want you to know that as you look on the screen and the chords that you've watched, that you learned in the previous video, you see that these chords, there are sometimes that we don't play with some particular notes. So we make sure that the the low tone notes, low octave notes, they are dominant. So a chord like D, if I go and play E is not supposed to be in this key. So it's not supposed to be in this chord, so we ignore it. A is in it, but if we start playing from A, we are making the A sound more dominant, so we avoid that and we start from the D. So you can see similar things from other chords, but just so you understand why certain things, certain chords are played like that. So just our advice that you go over this 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. Then you try and move a bit faster than you used to. Don't get too comfortable, and don't be too hard on yourself when you are a typical beginner, and maybe you are just new to this system. So don't be too hard on yourself. 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3 1 2 3. So 1 2 1. So remember the strumming. 1 2 1 2 1 2 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 3 1 2. So you won't be able to be to maintain that particular speed, like 1 2 1 2, if you are not able to switch before the next strum. So 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2 1 2. So just let that one be your target. So if you are strumming like 1 2, you have enough time. 1 2 3 1 2 1 2 1 2 3 1 2 1 2. I don't want this video to be too long. Thank you for watching this tutorial this far, and if you like this video, kindly let me give a like, and if you're new to my channel, kindly subscribe and let me know what you think. Hit the notification bell icon so that you'll be the first person to see my videos, and see you next time.